Today we're building our Stratco two-door security cabinet. The main feature of our security cabinet is some heavy-duty hinges, and it's also lockable. Let's have a look how it goes together. The first step in building the two-door cupboard is really to grab your PPE. So I'll be building the unit today with gloves and safety goggles on. The first item we'll grab will be the rear wall and our two side walls. You can pick the side walls pretty easy by their depth, but they also have these notches in them, and these notches go to the front, and that'll help you locate the front door when we put that on in a moment. The first step is to grab this rear wall, and it simply overlaps in the channel like so, and then we'll put 3 screws in to hold it in place. So it's a good idea just to get a partner or a neighbour or friend just to help you hold it while you do that component. Let's have a look. So we've connected the 2 side walls to the rear wall. Now it's time to put on our front doors. You can see I love this feature, which is our heavy duty hinges, and actually love the yellow as well. So let's have a look how it goes together. What you would have noted that we spoke to is how the fronts are notched out, and that'll slide over this top part here and the bottom part. So we'll put those in now. Now it's time for our top panel, which will lock the 4 walls in, and also the bottom shelf, and I'll show you how to put those in now. So now we're going to put in the top panel, and you'll notice that we've got the 3 push-through tabs at the front, and that signifies that it's the top panel, and the base, the bottom, the back of it actually has 3 holes that will screw in. So I'll show you how to do that now. We push it through from underneath. And now for the base shelf, we've got 2 of the push-through tabs on the front. It's also notched out, and the rear has 2 push-through tabs with 1 hole in the middle. After we put the shelf in, we'll actually lay the unit on its side, and I'll show you how to just fasten those ones. So let's put the shelf in. Oh, one other tip. So when you're putting the shelf in, the front lip actually sits over this one. Here we go. Once we've placed the base shelf in standing up, we lay the unit over. We've used the drop sheet this time just to protect the unit. Good idea if you could use something like that, or even build it inside. So we've got 1 screw to put in the base and 2 more push-through tabs. And now it's time to put our 5 shelves in. It's a great idea maybe to grab a couple of the items that you will store in the cabinet, just so you can get your spacing right. I'm just going to pretty much evenly space them for this video. These great little shelf hooks, I've got the 2 tabs on the back. Let's put them in. And you can really position them anywhere you like, so we'll replicate that on the other side and then also on the front. We've put in our 20 shelf hooks, hopefully all at a level height. Now we'll put in our 5 shelves. There's one little tip that you'll notice, they actually click in, and then you know they're nice and secure. And with the top shelf, it's a good idea not to do that one last. We'll do that second to last, just so that we can get the angle we need to put that one in, otherwise the second shelf will be in the way. And that's the 5th shelf. Let's put our power tools in there. And that's how we build our Stratco security cabinet. 5-shelf unit, 1.85 high, 900mm across the front and 450 deep, so nice and deep. It's got the extra strong hinges on here, which differentiates it from our other cabinets in our range. And of course comes with a key lock for your valuables. Thanks for watching.